Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Let's do the weekly analysis of the Bank Nifty and we'll see where Bank Nifty can move this week and what are the possibilities and what strategy we need to apply. Friends, if you look into the Bank Nifty has moved very aggressively in this week. Like there was absolutely no retracement. It was one side rally. The one side rallies never exist because when you have such a big one side rallies in 1 week, so no one has booked the profit. The institutions who have bought here, the one who has initiated the position here, he'll be holding up until his stop losses will be somewhere here. He'll be holding his positions up until here and he'll be riding the rally on the higher and higher side. So we have noticed in this week the market went higher and higher and higher side without any retracement, and only on the expiry day there was a little bit of a volatility and the market has ended up on the higher side. If you looked on the Friday, the Friday was absolutely a V reversal. It went and it came on the lower side. So what might be the possibilities in this week? Friends, whenever you have such a big bullish candle, the net position in the market is like net long. No one wants to sell the market. Everyone wants to hold the market up until 35,500, 36,000, and some people might be trailing to 37,000 as their stop losses. So what usually the institutions they do is like they don't keep buying the market on the higher and higher side. Why? If they keep buying on the higher and higher side, these people they won't be selling, the retailers won't be selling, the HNIs won't be selling, all they'll be holding and they'll be enjoying the profits very easily. So to do this, what the institutions usually they do is like they usually either sell a 50% of this one or 60% of this, and later they starts to go on the higher side. Why they do this? They want the liquidity of the lower levels and then they go on the higher side. When you have seen on a Friday, the market went very aggressively on the higher side and at the same time it flushed down on the lower side, and later it came down for searching of a liquidity and then went up and little bit of a sideways mode. So what we might expect in this week? In this week, as soon as the market processes 37,740 levels, if it crosses on the downside and if it crosses 37,500, we'll sell aggressively and we'll target up until 37,000. Because the market has to retrace little bit down and it has to go on the higher side. You can't see any market going on the higher and higher side like this. It has been 1 week the market went on the higher side, and this on the second week the market went on the higher side. As you have noticed, like any of the big candles, any big candles you can take it. Here you can take a big candle, the big fat candle. No one wants to sell the market. There was an inside candle for a week and later it flushed into. You can notice here a big fat candle, little bit it went on the higher side and there is retracement, again it went on the higher side. When it went and later here again the market went on the higher side, there was a pullback and market went on the higher side. So institutions they doesn't wants to buy in the higher and higher prices because no one will be selling when the market is on the high, when it is in the highest point of the day or highest point of the week. So we might expect a little bit of a retracement in this week, and the range I'm expecting like 38,200 to 37,000. So market might retrace back and spend some time in this candle and later it might break on the higher side. Why? What is the reason? The reason is very simple. There is a result season now. At the results, the IT companies are declaring the results. So the smart money will take the money out from the financials and they switch into IT stocks. So IT stocks will start to rally and financials will be struggling to rally because they have taken on the higher points and they'll start to sell and they start to book their profits at the higher prices. So our strategy should be simple. We'll be buying only after 38,200. If 37,500 crosses, we'll be selling, and after 37,000 we'll see one very good. If we see any buying activity at 37,000, then we'll go long. If not, if 37,000 breaks, we might even see like 36,000 level once again. As you have noticed here in these levels, here the market has spent 1 2 3 4 5. After 5 weeks the market has broken out. Here still in this value area the market has entered just 1 week, so it might spend some time here and later it might break on the higher or lower side. There are high probabilities like market might accumulate here, as it is a result season, it might break on the higher side. So we won't be buying the market up until 37,200 crosses decisively and it holds 38,250, then only we'll be buying the market. Till then we'll be just playing on the downside. If any fundamental news comes, if any market making news comes, I'll be updating at the Telegram channel. Please do subscribe my Telegram channel, and if you like this content, please press the bell icon button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.